रिडेव्हलपमेंट राजेश तो इशू उदोलच्यान तो परत सांगित आसा रिडेव्हलपमेंट तुम्ही सिरियसली कित्याक पळयना
सिरियसली पळोवपाक जाय
एक्झॅक्टली
No, so redevelopment is a requirement.
कारण पणजी आता सिटी
Correct.
पणजी जाल्यार पणजी म्हणजे पणजी म्हातारी जाल्या सो
It requires.
No, so with redevelopment there are a lot of factors.
पणजी आणि मडगांवूय बी आमचे
मडगांव
सामके म्हातारडा
Actually,
लोक approach
Vasco, Panjim,
Exactly.
Margao. Mapsa to some extent is also a requirement because it's become very haphazard. It had one of the most well-planned market and city at one time. One of the best market planned.
सध्या म्हापशा कोणच पळयना काय जालें
It has got a bit neglected. So, but what happens is when you do these kind of redevelopment projects, your number of units increase. So, one of the most important thing which is a requirement today is a very good sewage system. You may be able to do electricity by running cables. Okay, water supply, but sewage is something which somehow is being neglected today in Goa. Now, that onus is falling directly onto builders. Okay,
which
now
is not required.
Okay, now the sewage treatment plant, if you put it onto a builder, the builder will set it up, he will form the society, and he's gone. Now that sewage treatment plant for 50 flats has to be looked after by 50 people in a project of redevelopment, which is not practical. Because what happens, those people are all working here, working there. You need a full-time staff to run that STP.
Expert to that.
Brian, now it is changed, not 50, it is 24.
I'm coming to that.
Expert to that.
So now the government, instead of providing the facility, is just changing it from 50, bringing it less than 25 today. Okay? Now you tell me 25 antले 4 लोक नाल्यार 6 लोक आमचे आसतले कुवेट नाल्यार खंय कामांक आसतले तितूंतले 15 फ्लॅट विल बी स्टेईंग एक्चुअली देर दोज 15 पीपल म्हणटा आमचे लागीं ते वी कांट अफोर्ड टू रन द एसटीपी ते 6 जाण म्हणटा आमी रावना आमी पेमेंट दिवचे ना तशें करून करून these things are becoming recently there was an issue in that matter where that sewage is leaking and all. Now if there was an adequate infrastructure of sewage line provided by the government
you have paid about you are ready to pay and you have already paid tax.